Hey guys, so I'm back and today I want to talk to you about some products, well, about the products that I received in this month's Curlbox. So this is the August 2019 Curlbox and I'm actually unboxing it. So I received this box, I believe, on the 15th, but it was shipped out on the 12th. So it has been a while since I received this box. And I haven't really had the chance to make this video, but I did want to try to get it out before they release the items, but they probably already have released them by now. So yeah, like I said, it's Curlbox, and hopefully my camera does not die. So if you didn't know, the theme for the August Curlbox was I'm the Magic. It's different. And instantly, without me even reading that card, y'all, this won't do right. Without me even reading that card, I can tell that this is going to be a Palmer's cocoa butter line, because they put these little cards in here, and it has Palmer's cocoa butter collection items on there, like lotions, and I guess they came out with a hair care collection now. So yeah, and they always put their Curlbox card up in there. So as always, or like usual, you get 5 items in the Curlbox. It might be more sometimes or less. It just depends on, I want to say, the price of the products. If they're expensive, they don't really give you that many products. They just give you the best ones, or the ones that they'll like to advertise the most in the box. So I'm going to read to you the letter from the editor. If you don't want to hear me read, you can just, you know, mute the video and I'll put all the information on the side. The magic in your life is you. Be it your personality, your ambition, or that luscious head of hair, you are the sparkle, the sizzle, and the slay. We've teamed up with the Palmer's new cocoa butter and biotin line for our I'm the Magic box. So it is the Palmer's new cocoa butter and biotin line. Biotin. Y'all remember when YouTube was so crazy about that? It's not so much anymore. This curated group of goodies helps you retain length with fair trade cocoa butter, vitamin E, quinoa protein, and antioxidants. Style like a pro with these 3 magic words: soften, smooth, and simmer. And shimmer. Why I said simmer like I'm cooking? Shimmer. So the first, and this is what the inside looks like if it focus. And I'm going to start off and just go over. So it says, with the 3 words, soften is the first. My dog. It says a shampoo that moisturizes and color safe is a godsend for the girl with vibrant curls. Your cocoa butter and biotin shampoo is just that, enhanced with Chromahance, a substance that gives superior color retention. This cleanser has a lush lather and moisturizes chronically dry hair. So this is the shampoo. And like I said, I will also put all the information about that in the description box below, and I will try to put it somewhere on the side of this video. I can never tell which side, but it's going to be one of those sides. But it says it's for length retention, and it's a gentle moisturizing cleanser with vitamin E and antioxidants. It's color safe, no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no gluten, no dyes, and no silicones. That's a lot. And it also reminds you to recycle. So and looking on here, the second ingredient is cacao extract. So yeah, I just sometimes like to look at the ingredients, but not all the time. So the next category is smooth. Tangles disappear with cocoa butter and biotin conditioner, a silky treatment that infuses biotin directly into the strands to speed up sluggish growth. Afterwards, spritz on a bit of your cocoa butter biotin leave-in conditioner and run your wide tooth comb through your curls to immediately prep for styling. So this is the conditioner. It looks, I'm not even going to zoom, it looks completely, well, it looks exactly like the shampoo bottle, but it says it's for length retention as well. And it says instant moisture and softens with vitamin E and antioxidants, and it has the same thing as the other one on here. let me see. So for this, it tells you to leave on for up to 6 minutes and rinse thoroughly. So yeah, 6 minutes. And I'll put the information for that below. And it also did mention the leave-in conditioner, which is a detangler, heat protectant, and moisturizer, and it's also color safe, length retention, no sulfates, phthalates, all that good stuff in here. Now it says it can be used throughout the day as needed. For optimal results, use with all the other styling products in the collection. And you want to use this on towel dried or damp hair. So yeah. And this looks exactly like the shampoo bottle. It just has a spray head. And I don't know how I feel about the spray head leave-in conditioners. I have a hard time because my hands are already slippery and I'm sitting there trying to like spray something on my hair. But we'll see. So the last category is shimmer. And it says, define curls with your cocoa butter and biotin cream styler. A defining formula that gives medium hold to finger styles, twist outs, braid outs, and coils. Finish your look with cocoa butter and biotin shine glaze serum, a silicone free oil that's good for adding shine to both protect the styles, loose curls. You can also apply it to your scalp with this easy nozzle tip applicator. And then it just says, I'm the magic. So the last two products it talked about were the creamy styler, and this says it's for coil definition, and it looks exactly like the rest of them, just in a different type of container that squeezes out. And actually, y'all, it smells just like the original cocoa butter lotion. It smells just like it. I love that smell. Okay, the shampoo doesn't. It just smells like soap. But the conditioner does, because I've already sniffed that. And for this styler, it tells you to put a small amount on damp hair. Do not rinse it out. Use as needed on dry hair on days after washing. And the last product that I'm going to talk about is the Shine Glaze Serum. It says it locks in moisture and adds a shiny finish to dry hair. And it's also free of all those things I described earlier. And it's just like any other oil. You apply it in your hand and put it on your hair. So, but it does come with the easy nozzle applicator. So I will be trying these products out, and I am looking into making a video on it. Hopefully these are good products. I really do enjoy the smell. I love Palmer's cocoa butter. So anyways, I'm also working on trying to get that video out for last month's Curlbox. I did use those products, so I do want to show you my first impression for those. Spoiler alert, they were pretty good. So I enjoyed them. But yeah, anyways, to keep me from rambling, this was the video for the Curlbox August 2019. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry if I couldn't give you more information, but if you'd like the information on these items, please look in the description box below. If you have any questions or comments or anything, or any ideas on what videos you'd like to see next, then please put them in the comment section below. But anyways, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next. See ya.